that shit would drive me crazy. Cause outside is no feelings, baby. You say it's hard to tell what I've been thinking lately, but behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love. You said we had it all, that shit would drive me crazy. Cause outside is no feelings, baby. You say it's hard to tell what I've been thinking lately, but behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love. But behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love. You said we had it all, that shit would drive me crazy. Cause outside is no feelings, baby. You say it's hard to tell what I've been thinking lately, but behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Yeah, I don't know how to turn it off, and I'm gonna get like, I'm a weak bitch. So I'll sleep.
Okay, so I get the window bed. This is my view for the next few nights. How gorgeous is that? Actually crazy. We're on the 66th floor. So this is the bathroom. Ooh, cute. Oh yes, it has like the nice close mirror. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, so it's soap. And a glass shower, which is always nice. Hello, so we are at Movie World right now and it's day number 1 and we just got here. It's around like 11:50, so it's like 12, which sucks because the park closes at 5, so we only have 5 hours. But I'm excited to go on crazy rides because I really like scary rides.
Which one are you looking forward to?
Superman? Lethal Weapon.
Wait, that one's so short.
But it's cool, your legs dangle and shit. And Scooby-Doo, because that's my childhood favorite.
Words fall out of my mouth, they drift to the ground and they don't make a sound. I'll try to sample them back to the place in my head, but I feel that I lie. The proper stick that I need to narrate the scene, to tell you these things. The proper place for my thoughts, I know that I'm not, you know that I'm not.
We are on the way to SeaWorld today. It is day number 2. there's so many options that we don't know. I'm zooming up on your donut. Can I zoom in on your face? Ew, you make ew. Oh my god. The teeth is so black. Tomorrow. Everyone is currently sleeping besides my sister. We just ran out to get food. I just got back and thought I'd film a little bit of the view from an open window just because the window is a bit restricting. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I haven't been talking much to the camera, but